everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. It's very tasty and delicious. Cashew stir-fry chicken breast. One of the best appetizer, and you will love it. And it's not that hard to make it. Today, I will show you how to make it delicious chicken appetizer recipe, and let's get started. The ingredients we need: the chicken breast. These are frozen. If you have a fresh chicken breast, you can use that. Then you don't need stuff. These are huge. These are jumbo chicken breasts. This is how they look. The next step will be taking the ice out. I put it in cold water. These are huge. They are 1 pound each, so it will be 2 pound chicken breast. Put it in cold water, let it sit for 15 minutes, change the water again, put the cold water again. Don't use hot water, cold water. After this is how the chicken breasts look. I cut into small pieces, put it in a strainer, let the water drain out. So these are 2 chicken breasts after draining the water. The other ingredients will be 2 eggs, ginger, garlic, green chili 1 teaspoon each, cumin, coriander, salt, black pepper half teaspoon each, cornstarch 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and raw cashews. That will be like a handful. When to add it, that I will share with you. The first step will be we're going to marinate the chicken. Get a mixing bowl. First we're going to break open the eggs. Now we're going to beat the eggs really well. Once nicely beaten, we're going to add all the spices: cumin, coriander, salt, black pepper. Mix it well again. Now we're going to add cornstarch. Be 1 tablespoon. Now mix it well. Once cornstarch is nicely combined, add chicken. Now we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Start burner. Get a knife. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add ginger. Mix it. Add garlic. And we're going to cook them until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Cook like 10 to 20 seconds. This is good enough. Now add green chili. Cook additional 20 seconds. This is good. Now we're going to add the marinated chicken. And mix it well. Now we're going to cook the chicken meat really well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking chicken breast for 4 minutes on high flame. This is the tip I wanted to share with you. As you see, egg and cornstarch start to burn up at the bottom. So keep it moving. Now bring your gas on a low. This is very important. First cook 4 minutes on a high flame. And now we're going to cover with the lid on low flame. Cook it for 5 minutes. Exactly 5 minutes cooking on a low gas. I'll open it, mix it. If you notice that it will release all the water. After mixing it, bring your gas on high. And at the same time, we're going to add the cashews on a high gas. Cook for a couple minutes. This is the tip I wanted to share with you when you have a frozen chicken breast and you marinate it with egg and cornstarch. First 4 minutes you cook on high gas, so that way the egg and cornstarch get cooked well. Then you cover it. Then it releases all the water since we have a frozen chicken breast and washed with the cold water. And after that, now on high gas, we're going to cook for 2 minutes. And these 2 minutes, this is where you're going to add the cashews. You don't want to add the cashews at the beginning. Then they become mushy, they like a squishy. When you eat it, you don't enjoy it. This way the cashews stays firm, they retain their shape, and when you eat it, and you enjoy the cashew flavor as well. So our dish is all ready, and prior to serving, this will be a strictly optional unsalted butter at the end, and we're going to add some parsley flake, and our dish is all ready. If you don't like butter, then please don't add it. Add parsley flake, 2 teaspoons parsley flake. And this is all ready. It's very delicious, very quick and easy to make, and super tasty. I'm going to dish out and I will share with you. Turn off your gas. Look at delicious cashew stir-fried chicken breast. And let me share with you. One of the best appetizer. It's very tasty and delicious. Cashew stir-fried chicken breast. As you've seen it, it's very easy to make it, and this is one of the best appetizer and quick appetizer. You will love it. You can serve it any time of the day. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.